In this quick 2025 guide, I'll show you how to fix invisible sections on desktop in weeks. So everything that's visible on mobile also show up perfectly on your computer view. Open your Wix editor and make sure you're in desktop view. If a section is not showing, click on the layers panel on the left side. Look for the missing section. It might be hidden or placed behind another element. If you see the icon crossed out, click it to unhide that section. You can also bring it to front by right-clicking and selecting Arrange, Bring Forward. Check the position settings. Sometimes sections are pushed off screen or set to collapse or empty. Finally, preview your site to confirm everything appears correctly on desktop. And that's it. Your invisible Wix sections are now fixed and fully visible. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Wix fixes every week.